Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're making an easy, elegant topiary. We appreciate your support. Please hit subscribe. We chose to do this project because it's quick and simple and uses things around your house. It also doesn't involve any specialty tools. We make a lot of other topiaries and we use soldering guns and dowels, but this one all you'd need is a glue gun and that's it. It's a very simple little project, but it's really elegant and pretty. Right now I'm just sort of roughly laying it out to see how I'm going to put it all together. For the project base, we're just using a candlestick holder that we already had kicking around the house. If you have any candlestick holders you're not using for candles, think about using them as a base. Here I am beginning to set it up, so you put the hot glue on the rim of the bottom ball after you've glued that ball onto your candlestick. And you'll want to look down through the hole just so you can try to get it as centered as you can so it's not a crooked little tree. For this project we bought a few ornaments at the Dollarama for $1.50 each. And you can use any ornaments you have around the house that you want to reuse for this project. And on this last ball at the top there, we put it backwards so that the point sticks inside the hole of the other ornament so that we can put the star on top of a smooth surface. So I'm just going to give this a little dry test. Yep, looks like it's all dry. And now I'm going to bling it up with a little bit of pearls around each joint. Yeah, and for that you'll just put, sort of dry test it, put the beads around there, figure out how many beads you'll need, find out where that is, and cut off the section you require. Then once you have that, you'll just put a dab of glue in between there and place one end of the pearls on that. Then just wrap it around and put a dab of glue on the other end to secure the last little pearl. Then we'll just repeat the process again at the other joints, measuring the pearls, cutting the amount you need, putting the dab of glue, wrapping around, dab of glue again. With that joint done, we'll do the star. Same process, measure, dry fit, dab of glue, rotate, dab of glue again. The key to making this an elegant topiary are using the sort of blingy silvery balls or golden balls just to give it that elegant look. There, and to end it off, we'll wrap another set of pearls between the balls and the candlestick. It was really amazing how quickly and easily this whole project came together. That's the great thing about it. You can do this in probably 20 minutes, half an hour. And like I say, you don't need any specialty equipment, just your glue gun and a little bit of imagination. Thanks for watching our video, and if you want to see other videos, please hit subscribe and share with your friends.